What's up, guys? Today it's much better weather. It's maybe 25 degrees, so I have plan to visit one place. There is waterfall, and we will, like last time, hang hammock in the forest, but in different place. So let's start. We are almost in the forest, and this waterfall, maybe he's not the biggest in this area. It's good. It's not that much famous. It's famous, but not that much. So I hope there will not be too much people. It's quite early, not very early, but it's almost 10 a.m. and it's Sunday, so it's chance to be alone in this place, so maybe this place will be empty, will be nice. As I thought, I am alone. It's nice. Let's see. Here you can find benches. I remember times when this place was empty, without any tables, benches, was little more wide. So I am happy I started to travel, explore different places when that was not that much famous like today. Okay, like these benches, because people visit this place for swim here, especially during winter. Okay, we have it. No one is here. It's very nice. As I said, amazing weather. It's warm. Maybe 25, 26 degrees. Behind me is this waterfall. Here is something like cascade, maybe. So you can hear this water. I thought about try winter swimming. I heard this is very healthy, but I thought start winter swimming during summer because here we are close to the mountains and this water even during summer can be little cold. This water comes from mountains, so yeah, people sometimes recommend start during summer, during spring, not cold season, step by step. So I plan, oh my goodness, I plan this couple years. Maybe one day finally I will try. People came. But they are not close to me. They are doing this winter swimming during summer. They are screaming, so probably this water it's not too much warm. Yeah. We will go this way. Usually when I am here in this forest, I usually choose this way along this river, or maybe river creek. I saw more and more people there, so maybe it's time to slowly change position. I want to check one place, bridge, small bridge, but looks nice. For me looks like from Pirates movie, because on this bridge is something like some plants. Looks like an old bridge. This is quite common here. People build something like this, you know, shelter. Before I found here maybe 3 these constructions, but right now it's one, but big. Little touristic place, I can say, because here is the village, really very close, so it's very easy come here, and probably this is reason why people do this here. I think maybe kids they did this because if we will go further in that direction, there is, you know, more dense forest, little deeper, and there can be nice place for build real shelter, make bigger camping. You see, I was speaking about this. these small green plants. Right now I see they are not too much here, not a lot, only few, but sometimes when it's more rainy weather, all this place is full of this. I don't know if next time or another time I will visit this place, but I will go to different point, because here is couple directions. There we will go closer to the mountains. There we will go to the village. Next to this corner we will go to small hill, and on this hill we can find little bigger rocks where is view on the mountains. So here is a lot of places, honestly, to visit, explore. I know most of them. Yeah, I was here many times and I won't visit them again because I had a break from travel trips. So I want to visit places where I was before and couple new places, a lot of new places, because I don't know if you can feel this when you visit new place. Is this short moment, everything is new, you are excited, and you know these feelings, new place, yeah, like a open new map, and what is there, what is here. Yeah, I like this moment. I have many nice places which I visited in my past. I want to visit them again, and a lot of new places. So I hope this video was nice for you. I hope you will stay with me longer. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Na razie.